Before we started using Glide, our first year we made about $200,000 in revenue. Right now, without increasing our admin or planning staff at all, we're doing around $200,000 a month instead. My name is Edward Ernebeck, and I'm the co-founder of Värmekoncept, the Swedish company that works with installing fireplaces at home. Our Glide apps is basically our entire customer journey, from first lead to the installation being done and every step of the way between. In the beginning, when we started the company, we were using just pen and paper to keep in track with all the projects. And it worked in the beginning, but as soon as we got a little bit more volume, it became very overwhelming. Customers were frustrated that we missed sometimes and things were delayed. At first, I was searching for a pre-made customer journey solution, but I didn't find that any of the standard systems were quite right for us because they had very little flexibility. Then I tried using Bubble, but then the problem was it's way too long time to create the function that we needed, also with just getting the design to work. And I didn't want to spend that much time on designing, I just wanted to do the function and get it to work. I felt that it has to be a better way, and that's when we found Glide. It took only one day to get a better system than we had created. And then after that, we just continuously kept adding. Now, 2 years later, it's 100 times better than it was before. Glide has really transformed how we run our company. All the effectiveness of this makes the customer journey so much better than anything else. We have the highest customer satisfaction scores among all our competitors in this market, while still being quite new, so no extra headcount, without buying any expensive software licenses. We have no IT at all and no expensive consulting. So everything we do in-house, and whatever we need and want, we can just make it very quickly. Right now we're trying to grow in different parts of the country. Our goal is to 10x from where we are right now in a couple of years. So we already did it from start to where we are right now using Glide, and I don't see a reason why we couldn't do it one more time. The first app is our CRM system. The salespeople have it on their iPads, so when they do the home visits to our customers, they can do all the calculations and offerings there. We have a system that automatically creates the quotes to our customers that they can sign from home, getting access to a Glide app to the customer's phone. When a customer buys, we automatically get a to-do list for sending invoices and starting the permit process, and also the planning to checking if all the parts are in place, which means that we can delegate to the right installer. They get all the information with the project and everything that they need to be able to do the installation. The installers have it on their phones. So, for example, in the car to the installation, they can listen to recordings from the salespeople explaining the installation. They can easily see images and descriptions from their phones. And the warehouse workers have it on their computers as well to use to track the warehouse information and what kind of materials we have, and also sync with the customers to see if a customer is ready to be planned in or not. I think previously, while doing all the checks of the parts and ordering all the parts for a specific project from all the different suppliers, definitely took at least 2 hours per customer. But now maybe 10 minutes maximum. So with the software, we automated the entire process. So it's just one click and everything is done in the end. I've built everything myself, which is what I think is very fun also, because I don't have a software engineering background. I don't know how to code, so I just learned it from learning by doing and just adding functions one step at a time. Everything works really, really well. As soon as there is a problem that arises, or we see that, oh, now there's a lot to do in this department, we always ask ourselves, can we effectivize this, or can we automate it by implementing a function in Glide? If we do this function, we can save really much time, and more often than not, it doesn't take more than a couple of hours, or if it's a big project, maybe a couple of days. But we always instantly see so much time being saved and so much more effective. So it's really nice getting these quick improvements. Our first build was basically just like an advanced Excel sheet that we used to keep in track of all the customers. But then what we found with all the different parts of the business is that we can automate and only show what's really necessary to all the right people. So for example, our administrator, which works with doing all the permits for the customers and all the economics and stuff like that, she has around 50 active errands running at the same time. And it would be completely impossible to keep in track of those. But she doesn't see any of that. She only sees a to-do list of 5 stuff that has to be done, because the system automatically shows what's needed. The project planner doesn't see a list of 200 installations that has to be planned, because half of those installations we don't have the material at the warehouse, half maybe doesn't have the permit done. So he only sees a list of 5 people that can do the installation. But as soon as our warehouse marks that they received the materials, he automatically gets it to do. Now this customer can be booked in. And that's the really nice part, that all the different departments just see what they need to see, they do what they need to do. And when they have done something, it automatically delegates for the next department what they have to do without having a lot of meetings or internal communication.